You can use Nano in PowerShell, on Windows. Just search for Nano packages using winget, and you will see these packages. Then you can copy the ID of the package and install it using this command. E means exact match, and that's going to be GNU.Nano. Then we can check it. If it prints Nano version information, it is working. Now you can create an edit file with Nano. In Nano, shortcuts are shown at the bottom. You will see things like this, like help, write out, exit, and that symbol means control. So you're gonna press Ctrl plus O, press enter for the file name, and it's saved. Then you can press Ctrl and X to exit Nano, and that saves the file. Of course, you can still use the PowerShell itself to create the files like this. We can list the files now, clear, and edit that new file. There we go.